there, do you know you can create your own mobile application and website in just 5 minutes for only £1? Yes, you heard that right. Let me show you how. Follow me. Hi, welcome to Mobile App Bnao. My name is Ruchika and I'm going to explain you how to create your own mobile application and website in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Go to your browser and type www.mobileappbnao.com. Click on the Start Trial button, enter all required information and click on Start Trial. Review and confirm the details you have entered. Choose your country and state from the drop-down menus. Click on Complete Order. Provide your mobile number and click Continue. Proceed with online payment and click Continue. On the new page, fill in your app name, select the app theme, choose your app logo and click Start Trial. Allow a few seconds for the development process to complete. Your app and website will be ready to use. Check your registered email for all the details. Hey, but that's not all. You can also become our partner from anywhere in the world and start building your own website and mobile application for your clients. You get $4,900 worth of token rewards, a free Canva Pro subscription, $1,000 worth of document panel, $30 worth of Google Play Store console, digital marketing training, $125 worth of dialer support and 24 hours client support. So hurry up, the offer is available for a limited period of time. Contact us on this number or visit our website. Enjoy your website and mobile app journey with www.mobileappbnao.com.